Everybody. So thanks for the opportunity to give you the opportunity to tag a face to my name, which is Christian Illek. Look, let me start with a statement up front. I have been involved in the preparation of this Capital Markets Day, so I subscribe to everything which has been said. So don't expect any surprises if I'm taken over from Thomas, because I basically stay with what has been said here. Let me flash out, I'm still in my early onboarding phase, so I don't have full visibility on what is ahead of me. But if I would basically carve out three things I will put some special focus on. The first thing would be cost reduction. I think we have promised a net reduction of 1.5 billion. I believe, in contrast to the previous program, this program is more hedged. It's not dependent on blockbuster project results like the IT roadmap, but still it has to be delivered. And I think I don't want to see that red mark in 3 years from now. The second one is definitely, and you said it earlier on, is CapEx efficiency. And you heard Dirk talking about the new fiber regime which we're proposing, and that we're asking others to basically co-invest with us. You heard Claudia about the 5G opportunity when it comes to capacity, but also to fixed wireless access opportunities. I think what we also have to take a look into is what is the spend we are spending on existing platforms and systems, and is that well spent, and what is the efficiency? So that's going to be something where I put my fingers and when I get deeply involved in. And the third one, I know that I'm talking to the equity side, but somebody has to take care of the debt KPIs, the fourth, which Thomas has presented, and that is obviously the CFO taking care of this as well. So these are the three things I at least will look into what I know from now. So what do you have to expect from me as a person? It's always hard to talk about yourself, but I would say very much what you expect from Deutsche Telekom. So disciplined execution, a bit of precision, and reliability. And to warn you, as bad habits die hard, I will use too many analogies related to tennis, so you will get bored over time, but that's something I can't retire. So finally, for me, this is a new experience. I've always got into jobs where the predecessor basically left the office before. Now I have the privilege to have a structured onboarding process. And the way how Thomas and I discussed it is as follows. So basically starting by finishing this event, we're going to act pretty much as twins. So you're going to see us in roadshows. We are acting as twins in the planning exercise. Obviously, we have presented the framework for the upcoming years in the last 2 days, and also on important projects. So I'm happy to see you soon, at least part of you, in the upcoming months. And given the interest of time, I would like to leave it as that and hand it over to Hannes.